Have you ever looked at a photo and thought, where can I find something like that? Whether it's a cool outfit, a recipe, or home decor idea, your Galaxy S25 Ultra can help you find it instantly using the Discover option in Bixby Vision. Let me show you how it works right from your Gallery app. Here's how to use the Discover feature with Bixby Vision. First, open Gallery app and then open any photo with something interesting like fashion, food, or design. Tap the Bixby Vision icon at the top of the photo and then select Discover. As you can see, your phone will analyze the photo and then show similar looking result from Pinterest. You can scroll through ideas or tap them to open directly in the Pinterest app or browser. This is great for discovering trends, shopping inspiration, or even finding out more about something you capture. So, given to the function, the Discover feature in Bixby Vision is like having a visual search engine built into your photos. Whether you are looking for ideas or trying to identify something, it brings Pinterest style inspiration straight to your fingertip without ever leaving your Gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.